Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Baggu bag haul. I've become a big fan of Baggu bags lately, so I bought a couple of them recently. I have them all right here. Here is the first one that I got. This is their Fanny Pack, the color Extra Pink. And the reason I got it was because I was hoping it was going to be a really pretty pink color. I will say that I was a little bit disappointed in the color when I saw it in person. It didn't look how I thought it was gonna look. It's a little bit more purple in person than pink. I do still think it's cute, and I do like the fanny pack. Their fanny pack fits a lot from the videos that I've seen online. The inside is black and it has a pocket up here, another pocket right here. Looks really spacious, and it has the strap right here. The strap is also black. What I've seen online, their fanny pack fits a lot, and I like to carry a lot of things, and I do like to wear fanny packs sometimes. I wear them more like crossbodies or belt bags across the chest. This is the first fanny pack that I got from them, so I thought this would be a good addition to my bag collection. The next bag that I got, I've actually already been using it. This is the Crescent Bag in the size large. It's in the color black, obviously. I have been using this a lot lately. It's so big. I call it my Mary Poppins bag because it fits everything. It fits everything I need and more. It has a zipper at the top. This is the inside. I do have some stuff in there, but not that many things, so they're all down there. I love that this bag fits so much, and I love that you can wear it in different ways. The strap is really long, so you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can shorten the strap and wear it like a shoulder bag. Most of the time I wear it as a shoulder bag. Did have another one of their Crescent bags. It was the medium size and it was in the color khaki, but I didn't use that one that much. I think because of the color, I just didn't reach for it, and I ended up selling it on my Poshmark. After I sold that one, I saw that they came out with the large, or they re-released the large size, and immediately I really wanted it, so I ordered it, I got it, and I love it so much. And I got this one from Urban Outfitters. I'm not sure why I got this one from Urban Outfitters instead of their website. I think it's because I had a coupon code for like a discount at Urban Outfitters, so I got a better deal on it on there. One I got from Urban Outfitters is the Baggu backpack. This is the backpack right here. I had been looking for a backpack for when I go to amusement parks with my son, or you know, the zoo or places like that. Sometimes I like to carry a backpack, and I was looking for a cute backpack, and I saw that Baggu had this one. And it's pretty big. It has pockets in the front. It looks really spacious on the inside, and it even has a sleeve where you could put in like a laptop or a tablet or something. I'm planning to put my son's tablet in there because we always carry his tablet. And then there's still space for like a bunch of stuff. This is gonna be the backpack I take whenever we go out. And kind of like, you know, another mom bag to have. So I like that it has pockets right here as well in the front to put some more things. And then you clip it closed like this. I just thought it was a super cute backpack, and it's a really good size. I could fit a lot in here, and I was just looking for a cute backpack. So I think I'm going to get like a cute little keychain to put on the zipper right here in the front, just to kind of make it look cute. I was gonna get this in brown, but I thought I would eventually regret not getting it in black because black goes with everything, and I always wear black. So I feel like the brown would eventually not go with some of my outfits, or I would kind of like not use it as much. I thought I would just go with black instead, even though I have a million black bags. I cannot stop buying black bags and black purses, so yeah. Okay, and here is the last Baggu bag that I got recently. I'm super excited for this one. This one just came out not too long ago, and I ordered it from this website called Bando because it was sold out on the Baggu website, and they had it at Urban Outfitters, but it was only for pre-sale. And then I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw a video from this shop saying they had the bag that I wanted in stock, and I purchased it. I immediately ordered it before it sold out on there as well. So I got this from Bando. I can't wait to open this one. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys which bag this is. Here is the bag. It's the Hello Kitty. So this is the Hello Kitty tote bag from their recent Hello Kitty collection. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Here is what the bag looks like. It's so cute. A little tote bag, and it doesn't really have a closure on the top. It's pretty spacious on the inside. I thought it was gonna have like a snap at least, but it doesn't have anything to close it at the top, so just be mindful of that. But look at how cute that is. It has Hello Kitty right on the front. Here's a tag that says Hello Kitty and Friends. This bag is called the Small Heavyweight Canvas Tote. It's from their recent collab with Hello Kitty and Friends, and I just saw this and I thought it was super cute. I have one of the bags from their last Hello Kitty and Friends collab, and I really love that bag. It's back there if you can see it. It's to be my go-to bag until I finally decided to put it away because I could not stop using it, and it's also a little dirty. I need to clean it. I love that one, so I decided to get another one. It's pretty spacious. It does seem like it fits a lot in here, which I like. The handles are also pretty long, and it fits perfectly under my arm. Can't wait to start using it. It's super cute. Those are all of the Baggu bags that I got recently. They're all a great addition to my bag collection. I can't wait to start using them and wearing them. After this, I think I'm going to take a little break from buying some new bags because I have so many new bags that I bought recently, and I'm becoming a little bit addicted to buying new bags, so I definitely need to take a break. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you like these type of videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!